La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ayun, magandang gabi po sa lahat at sa ilang sandali po ay ating sisimulan ng ating net call. All stations standby. Check. TB1 SBS 4H1 LCU, nakamonitor ka? Oh, simulan na natin. CQ break, it's 7:44 Papa Mike. CQ break. In a minute, we're about to begin the evening net of the X1 PRS. All station, please stand by. CQ break, it's 7:45 in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. It is the 14 days of October 2021. It's a Thursday. Welcome to the evening net of the Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or the X1 PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with Securities and Exchange Commission, duly licensed and accredited by the National Telecommunication Commission, and affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association. The X1 PRS conduct its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 7:45 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform with the handle of Nelson. I am transmitting from Pila-Pila, Binangonan, Rizal. I am working with Kenwood TM281 Alpha with the power output of 50 watts. Hook up to Diamond X700 Hotel antenna 37 feet from the ground. All station, please zero-bit your transceiver to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. You may also join us via Echolink via following link: the X1PRS-R, the X1PRS-L, All Starlink node 54453, 54456, 533550, TG 60511, and YSF 5156.
4H Delta Yankee 1 Yankee Delta Foxtrot Echolink.
Dito tapusin ko lang muna itong opening. Standby lang, malapit na. All station, please. We shall start the net by calling for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the X1 PRS and all station will be standing by. second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance, please call the X1PRs and all stations will be standing by. Any relay for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform for the X1PRs standing by. Any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any local amateur club, please call in now the X1PRs who is listening. Please be advised that this is a supervised net, therefore all call must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and suffix. We shall now begin the roll call proper by calling any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wishes to join the X1PRs evening net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform with the handle of Nelson, transmitting from Binawan Rizal for the X1PRs standing by.
Maria, forward 1, Alpha November Maria. Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, portable. Forward Pacific Bravo, Echo Link. Delta Uniform, Bravo Romeo Hotel. Delta Uniform, Bravo Romeo Hotel. CB1 XPC, Echo Link. Delta Uniform, Bravo Romeo Hotel.
All station, please stand by. I copy the following station at pakisabi nila kung may nalampasan. I copy the first station, 9 Mike 2, Romeo Alpha November. For Golf 1 Alpha November India, for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, for Golf 1 Sulu Bravo with XYL, DU8 Bravo Romeo Hotel, and DB1 X-Ray Victor Charlie. May nalampasan po ba?
Sulu Sierra. Jumpa ako. Mexico. DU1 Lima Romeo. DU1 Alpha Sulu Sierra.
Copy, Tito Boy, Tito Jeff, and Tito Larry. Meron pa?
DY3 November, Juliet, Papa. Orange 1, Delta Bravo Sierra.
All station, please stand by. Additional, Delta Bravo Sierra November Juliet Papa, and Tito Larry. Stand by lang po, 13 station. I call the station portable station, Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta, Tito Jason, Tagaytay City.
Tito, magandang gabi po dyan sa X1PRs net. Tito, malakas po ang ulan sa Tagaytay. Ingat po at malamig po. Bye-bye! 73.
I acknowledge your station, Tito Jason, ng Tagaytay City. From the group, the X1 EBM, thank you for always supporting the X1PRs net. Your station, Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta is properly locked and clear. 73. Person the list from Kedah, West Malaysia, 9 Mike 2, Romeo Alpha November. Imram, brother Imram, are you there?
Okay, thank you my friend. This is 9 2 Romeo Alpha November from Malaysia listening. Magandang gabi. Maligayang pabati. Wala ipabalita. I receive your audio 5. No traffic. Just want to join and supporting your name. Okay, my friend, back to you. Hanggang sa muli, 73. Salamat, mabuhay. Amping-amping.
Acknowledge your station, brother Imram from Kedah, West Malaysia. Thank you for always supporting the X1PRs Evening Net, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net from Monday to Saturday, 7:45 to 9:15 p.m. Your station and mic 2, Romeo Alpha November 73. Ingat-ingat. Next station, for Golf 1, Alpha November India, Tito Gani ng GMA Cavite. Magandang gabi dyan.
Likewise, magandang gabi Kuyang Nelson at magandang gabi sa lahat. For Golf 1, Alpha November India, galing po ng GMA Cavite, supporting the evening net of DX1 PRS, no other traffic 73, mabuhay. 3 November, Juliet, Papa.
Nasa list ka na, Tito Jerry. November Juliet, Papa. Pang 12. Acknowledge natin station ni Tito Gani ng GMA Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net, your station. For Golf 1, Alpha November India is properly lock and clear. 73. Next station, Nakopol Station. For Golf 1, Sulu Bravo. Tito Meller ng Tita Nemia. Magandang gabi dyan sa Kinta.
Yun, magandang gabi. Dito Nelson, magandang gabi sa station na nakamonitor. At medyo mawala dito sa aming lugar sa Kainta. For Sulu Bravo, Meller, pakita na si Porgol Coral, Papa Delta Nemia. Mula dito sa Kainta, isa na patuloy sumusuporta sa DX1 PRS 2 Ethernet. Wala ka ng traffic, 73 at mag-ingat-ingat po tayo lahat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Meller and Tita Nemia ng Kinta Rizal. Si Tito Meller from the group DX1 ART, Vice President and External Affairs. Si Tita Nemia ay Auditor ng DX1 ART. Maraming salamat po sa palagiang pagsuporta sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Your station, for Golf 1. Sulu Bravo, for Golf 1, Alpha Papa Delta is properly lock and clear. 73, ingat-ingat at umaambon din dito sa lugar ko. Sa Binangonan. Next station from Dipolog City, DU8 Bravo Romeo Hotel, Kuyang Ruben, magandang gabi dyan.
November Hotel, Zero Radio, NX Zero Spontan. Ini seperti ini di X1 PRS Evening Call. No traffic po, Kuyang Nelson at maraming salamat. 73. God bless po, ingat-ingat tayong lahat. Mabuhay.
Copy, November Hotel Zero Radio, please stand by. Acknowledge station Kuyang Ruben ng Dipolog City from the group DX8 Pax Alpha Romeo. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, DU8 Bravo Romeo Hotel is properly lock and clear. 73. Next station, DB1 X-Ray Victor Charlie. Kuyang Roland ng Tandang Sora, Quezon City. Magandang gabi po.
Likewise, good evening, Kuyang Nelson. Good evening, fellow hands. Good morning, North America and Canada. Delta Victory 1, X-Ray Victoria Charlie, Quezon City, Sherolan, joining and supporting DX1 PR as Evening Call 73 and mabuhay. Back to you, Kuyang Nelson.
4H1LCU.
Acknowledge your station na Kuyang Roland ng Tandang Sora, Quezon City. From the group DX1 ABM, thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Your station, Delta Victory 1 X-Ray Victor Charlie is properly lock and clear. 73. Next station, DU1 Alpha Sulu Sierra. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Tito Boy.
At sa lahat, nagpapasalala, buhabati po na tiklis-tiklis na pitupot at sa inyo lahat yan. Mother Traffic, you, KRX, KRL. Salamat po.
Salamat din po. Acknowledge your station, Tito Boy ng Tambo Paranaque. Para sa grupong DX1 Ace. Maraming salamat pong muli. Palaging paksuporta sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Your station, DU1 Alpha Sulu Sierra is properly lock and clear. 73. Next station, DW1, Tango Juliet Mike. Magandang gabi po dyan.
PRS Delta Whiskey 1 Tokyo, Japan, Mexico. Good evening to everybody. Just join the net with no traffic.
Kilo Mike 6 Delta Uniform. Kilo Mike 6 Delta Uniform.
Copy, Kuyang Jaime, Kilo Mike 6 Delta Uniform. Please stand by. Acknowledge station of si Tito Jeff na from the group DX1 Oscar. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Net, your station Delta Whiskey 1 Tango Juliet Mike is properly logging clear. 73 from Pateros Rizal. Pateros City. Delta Yankee 1 Lima Romeo Echo. Magandang gabi po dyan.
Oh my God, dito magandang gabi. Yan, just support the net with the traffic. Pateros, Metro Manila po. Yan. Salamat po, David Rio, magandang gabi.
QSL, oo, nalito din ako, kasi dati Rizal. Pasensya na. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Larry ng Pateros. Maraming salamat po muli sa palagi ang pagsuporta sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Evening Net, your station, Delta Yankee 1, Lima, Romeo Echo is properly locked and clear. 73, at dumako naman tayo sa bandang dulo. Medyo dulo lang pala ng Bataan, Maribeles Bataan, Delta Yankee 3, November, Juliet Papa. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Tito Jerry.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. At good evening, fellow hams. Delta Yankee 3, November, Juliet Papa, joining and supporting the DX1 PRS Net. No traffic, 73, salamat po at mabuhay. Orgol po, November, Tango, kabayan.
Copy na, kababayan Pogi, standby. Acknowledge station ni Tito Jerry ng Maribeles Bataan from the group DX3 Echo Victor Mike. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Yankee 3, November, Juliet Papa is properly locked and clear. 73. Next station from the group, Portal 1, Delta Bravo Sierra, Tito Fred, magandang gabi po dyan.
That's a lot of monitor for X1 Delta Bravo Sierra, joining the evening net and supporting the X1 PRS. DU1 Zulu Charlie. 672 and mabuhay and keep safe always at magandang gabi, back to you, control.
Copy, Master Nomara, acknowledge station of Tito Fred ng Alabang Muntinlupa from the group. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. If you met your station for Hotel 1, Delta Bravo Sierra is properly locked and clear. 73. Next station from Northern Mariana Island, USA. November Hotel 0, Romeo, Kuyang Rene. Magandang anong oras ba dyan? Go ahead po.
Likewise, Control, magandang gabi sa istasyon mo sa lahat ng nakikinig. Likewise, sa side ko, gagawin November Hotel 0 Romeo, just supporting and joining the net. No further traffic, maraming salamat, Control. 73 sa lahat, balik sa'yo. Over.
Ayun, at magandang gabi rin pala dyan sa may banda lang dyan ng north ng Pilipinas yata yun. Ayun. Acknowledge your station, Kuyang Renang ng Northern Mariana Island, USA. Thank you very much for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station, November Hotel 0, Romeo, is properly locked and clear. 73. Next station from Northport, Alabama, USA. Kilo Mike 6 Delta Uniform. Kuyang Jaime, magandang umaga po dyan.
Very good evening to you, and thank you, Nelson, Net Control, for acknowledging this station. Good evening to the DX1 PRS and Net and everyone listening. A very good evening, Philippines, and good morning from Northport, Alabama. Mike 6 Delta uniform. KM60, we're checking into the DX1 PRS net with no traffic. God bless everyone. Have a good night's rest and a good tomorrow. Mabuhay at 73. Back to the control. Salamat, Nelson. Kilo Mike 6 Delta uniform.
Salamat din po Kuyang Jaime na Northport, Alabama, USA. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. Kilo Mike 6 Delta uniform is properly logged and clear. 73, magandang umaga po muli at ingat-ingat po. And acknowledge the station of DW8 Alfa Romeo, the Golden Boys of Zamboanga from the group DX8 Zulu Charlie. Thank you for also supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 8 Alfa Romeo is properly logged and clear. And also acknowledge the station of Tito Pepito, Hotel 1 Delta Papa Quebec, and Hotel 1 Delta Whiskey si Jason. Your station is properly logged and clear. Next station, ang kababayan kong Pogi, for Golf 1, November Tango Tango. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Tito Nick, at musta na?
Just joining us supporting the X1 PRS Net call at katatapos lang ng ulan. Magandang gabi, matuloy po.
4G1, X-ray Foxtrot Delta.
Copy, Tito Edom sa standby. Acknowledge station of Tito Nick ng Taytay Rizal. At ayun, kakatapos daw po ng ulan. Dito sa amin ay umaambon lang. From the group, DX1 ART at NCS board member ng DX1 ART. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. Pogo pa, November Tango Tango is properly logged and clear. 73. At lumipat naman tayo sa Pasig City, DU1 Zulu Charlie. Master Nomar, magandang gabi po at nakahang kanina yung node mo.
Ano one? Sorry. D1 Zulu Charlie Nomar. Pasig City, no internet, 73, ang cambio.
QSL. Ayun lang, naupuan yung pinakang PTT. Ayun, at kanina nga, pinatay kong bigla yung radyo ko, ayaw matanggal yung naka-full scale pa naman sa akin. Ayun, magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Master Nomar ng Pasig City. From the group, DX1 Lima. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. And your station, DU1 Zulu Charlie, is properly logged and clear. 73. Next station, for Golf 1 X-ray Foxtrot Delta, Tito Edoms, magandang gabi dyan sa Imos, Cavite.
Hello, 4G1, X-ray Foxtrot Delta. Si Edoms po ng Cavite. Sumusuporta sa group ng DX1 PRS. Maraming po salamat. Keep safe, 73.
I acknowledge your station, Tito Edoms ng Imos, Cavite. From the group, the Delta Zulu 1 Radio Echo Charlie, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station for Golf 1 X-ray Foxtrot Delta is properly logged and clear. 73. I'm calling another batch of station. Signet and station be portable, mobile or base, Echolink or Starlink node and other link. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform with the handle of Nelson. Transmitting from Binawan Rizal for DX1 PRS. Standing by.
Delta, 459, short to the 459, short to the
Foxtrot Yankee Mike 9 Whiskey 2 Foxtrot Yankee Mike via Echolink check.
ID 7ADL Yankee Delta 7 Alpha Delta 5 Echolink.
Copy, Brother Agus and Brother Pausi, please stand by. Yung dalawang station po sa Ecolink na nakasabay kanina, wala ako nakuha call sign pa. Isa-isa lang po. Go ahead po. Yung dalawa na ako na kanina.
Delta Whiskey 459 Victor Juliet Quebec 459 Victor Juliet Quebec for the next.
Ang nakuha ko ay si 4PAX 9 Victor Juliet Quebec, kasama sa XYL. Yung isa pa po, pakibalik po, nasabayan na naman, sorry.
Delta Whiskey Alpha Yankee Echo Delta Whiskey Alpha Yankee Echo.
Ayun, copy na our station, please stand by. Kuya Anthony, si Tito Joseph, Agus, and Pausi. Sumunod ako na kay Pausi. 9 Whiskey 2, Paxrak Yankee Mike, Brother Pausi from Selangor, West Malaysia. Good evening.
Good evening, controller for Golf 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. For Golf 1, sorry, for Delta 1 Lima Charlie Uniform. Mr. Nelson, this is my UC2 for Yankee Mike returning. Okay, good evening to you and our monitoring station. I congratulations to you to be a net controller. I copy audio loud and clear through a calling in Malaysia. I have not received any information, just checking and supporting your net. Great, Mr. Nelson for Delta 1 Lima Charlie Uniform net controller. This is 952 for Yankee Mike RU monitoring 73. Bye and mabuhay.
Acknowledge your station, Brother Pausi from Selangor, West Malaysia. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Your station, 9 Whiskey 2. Foxtrot Yankee Mike is properly loud and clear. 70, salamat. Next station from Pontianak, Indonesia. Yankee Delta 7 Alpha Delta 5. Good evening, Brother Agus.
Yeah, good evening, Nelson. Magandang gabi to Nelson and the station in this net. This is YD7ADL. Your audio is live and receive GTA in Pontianak. Good luck for you. Just join in your net. Pero Nelson, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, this is YD7ADL. Just supporting my band to contact. Thank you. This is YD7ADL. No traffic, coming up, 70, mabuhay.
Amping. Thank you, Brother Agus, acknowledge your station from Pontianak, Indonesia. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Yankee Delta 7 Alpha Delta 5 is properly loud and clear. 73, at ingat-ingat po dyan sa Indonesia. Take care. Next station for PAX 9, Victor Juliet Quebec with XYL, Tito Joseph and Tita Susan. Good evening, Cotabato City.
Kaya control, magandang 409 Victor Juliet Quebec. Together with XYL, 409 Victor Juliet. Nag-repeat just during the evening net, 73 Quebec, Cotabato City.
Acknowledge your two station, Tito Joseph and Tita Susan from Cotabato City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your two station for PAX 9, Victor Juliet Quebec. For Golf 9, Victor Sierra Quebec is properly loud and clear. 73, ingat-ingat po. Delta Whiskey 8 Alpha Yankee Echo, Kuya Anthony ng Zamboanga City. Magandang gabi po.
Yes, sir. Good evening, Control. Good evening. Delta Whiskey, Tango Yankee, Echo, entry from Zamboanga City. Guys, morning net, kurang traffic, may 73, mga buhay sa lahat, ingat-ingat.
Acknowledge your station, Kuya Anthony ng Zamboanga City from the group DX8 Whiskey Mike Gold. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. Delta Whiskey 8 Alpha Yankee Echo is properly loud and clear. 73. And also acknowledge the station of Delta Yankee 2 Romeo Lima Juliet BBN and Delta Whiskey 8 Charlie Foxtrot Sandro. Your station is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station who is to join the X1 PRS Net?
Delta Whiskey 1, Oscar Tango Tango.
Kilo 3, Mike Tango Peter.
Yung siya, Mike Tango Kilo.
Victor Kilo 3, Mike Tango Papa po.
Mike Tango Papa. QSL, copy, standby. Victor Kilo 3, Mike Tango Papa, 1 station ahead. Tawagin ko lang si Delta Whiskey 1, Oscar Tango Tango. Kuya Edpil, magandang gabi po.
Roger, Rodron, magandang gabi, X1 PRS. Nagpapatala lang po sa gabing lambatan. Delta Whiskey 1, Oscar Tango Tango, Edfield, ng Imos Cavite. 73s and stay safe everyone. Back to you, Patrol.
I copy your station, acknowledge the station of Tito Edpil ng Imos Cavite. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Oscar Tango Tango is properly loud and clear. 73. Move another station, Victor Kilo 3, Mike Tango Papa. Kuya Papa, go ahead from Australia.
Ay, magandang gabi po. Sumusuporta sa panggabiang lambatan. Dahil PJ, Papa Juliet. Maraming salamat for the follow-up. Experiment all stations monitor. Crash speed around. Mike Status Victor Kilo 3, Mike Tango Papa, transmitting Australia. Maraming salamat po.
I acknowledge your station. Ang handle mo ba, PJ or Papa?
PJ po, PJ. Papa Juliet. Kasi pag sinabi kong Papa, Philippines, medyo mahaba. Victor Tango, Philippines, medyo mahaba pa hinga kaya Papa na. Pero nahanap is PJ po, Papa Juliet.
QSL yun. At susulat ko lang. At acknowledge your station na Kuyang PJ ng Australia. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net. Your station, Victor Kilo 3, Mike Tango Papa is properly loud and clear. 73.
4H1LCU.
I'm calling another batch of stations, Signet and Station B Portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by.
PC.
Ayun, nasa ulo. 4 Echo 1 ABC, Tito Al, magandang gabi dyan.
Magandang gabi rin sa Solid Station. Good evening. Just joining the evening net. 70 God bless for power together with Puro Taiwan, Echo Charlie Bravo.
Strat Whiskey. DY1 Oscar Shell.
Sabi, Tito Rico Yung po may Foxtrot Whiskey, pakibalik po.
Ko, Foxtrot Whiskey.
One more time, 2 seconds ka po at putol po yung unan.
Hotel 1, Echo, Foxtrot Whiskey.
QSL, yun, copy na. At pag po kasi nakapiga po kasi agad kayo, hindi po nakukuyunan. Ayun po, magandang gabi po dyan, Tito Ray. Standby lang, Tito Rico, one station ride lang. Hotel 1, Echo, Foxtrot Whiskey, magandang gabi po dyan sa Makati, Tito.
Magandang gabi rin po sa inyo sa lahat po. Karay ng Poblasyon Makati, Joey Galet, 73 po.
Acknowledge your station, Karay ng Makati from the group DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS EBNet. Your station, Hotel 1 Echo Foxtrot Whiskey is properly locked and cleared. 73. Next station, Delta Yankee 1 Oscar Sierra Tito Rico. Magandang gabi po.
Please, magandang gabi rin sa station. During the net and no other traffic. 5/7 over Valenzuela. 73 and greeting.
Ayun, medyo malinaw-lilaw na ako dyan sa Valenzuela at maganda ang propagation natin. Minsan may hinayin nating acknowledge your station, Tito Rico ng Valenzuela Metro Manila. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EBNet. And we hope to catch you again the next edition of EBNet, your station. Delta Yankee 1, Oscar, Sierra, properly logged and clear. 73. And also acknowledge the station of Tito Mar ng Binyan, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EBNet, your station. Mike Alfa Romeo is properly logged and clear. And also acknowledge the station of BBN and Charlie Foxtrot Foxtrot. Acknowledge ko pala. And our station who is join the X1 PRS EBNet. Acknowledge sa to station for India 1 Bravo Echo Bravo Hotel Echo, si Tito John, for Golf 1 Delta United Charlie, Tita Jo. Your two from the group, your two station is properly logged and clear. 73, at ingat-ingat po tayo. And our station who is join the X1 PRS EBNet.
1 Juliet India Mike for the net.
1 Juliet India Mike, good evening, Tito Jimmy. Magandang gabi ulit sa iyo dyan.
Son, 1 Juliet India Mike, nagtatapos mula sa Baranggo, ang ibang misahe sa mga supporter sa labing offline papawid ng X1 PRS. Maraming salamat, tagapangasiwa, 73 mabuhay, balik sa iyo, tagapangasiwa. Sana yung matuloy na yung upload ko at makakuha na seminar.
QSL, tama yan. At para ma-enjoy lalo yung pagdaradyo, mas masaya, may license. Ayun, at madaya ka, narito pa lang sa area, hindi ka kumatok rito. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Jimmy, ng Angono Rizal. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EBNet. Huwag mong kakalimutan na Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yung Joti. Para may tayo dun, certificate. EQSL pala. Ayun. Your station, Juliet India Mike, is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS EBNet?
Delta Victory 1, Sierra Lima Alpha for the net.
DB1, Sierra Lima Alpha. Tito Santi, ng San Mateo Rizal, magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, Tito Nelson, and good evening, the X1 PRS. Just supporting the evening net, 73, mabuhay. Keep safe always. Back to you, Tito Nelson.
Ayun, at napakalakas mo, punong-puno ka rito sa lugar ko sa Binangonan. Dead spot ako dyan, maganda siguro yung ano natin dyan. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Santi ng San Mateo Rizal from the group Delta X-Ray 1, Delta Bravo Tango. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS. Your station, DB1 Sierra Lima Alpha, is properly lock and clear. 7359, punong-puno.
Sige, good evening.
Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net?
For Golf 1, Bravo, Charlie, Bravo. For Golf 1, Bravo, Charlie, Bravo.
For Golf 1, Bravo, Charlie, Bravo. Kuyang Bong, magandang gabi po dyan, QC.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, fellow hams. This is for Golf 1, Bravo, Charlie, Bravo, with the handle of Bong from Quezon City and from the group DX1 Lima. Just supporting your group's net, no other traffic. 73.
Acknowledge your station na Kuyang Bong ng Quezon City. Powerlink Incorporated, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS evening net. Your station, for Golf 1, Bravo, Charlie, Bravo, is properly lock and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net? Any station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net? For Hotel 1, Bravo Sulu Echo, magandang gabi sa iyo dyan. Tito Meloy, kumusta yung panahon dyan? Ayun, maraming salamat Tito Meloy ng QC. From the group DX1 EBM, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EBNet. Your station, for Lopam Bravo Sulu Echo is properly lock and clear. 73.
4H1LCU.
W10 Papa Lima.
TW1 Sulu Papa Lima, magandang gabi po sa iyo Tito Willie Commonwealth, UP Diliman, magandang gabi.
Gabi, nagpapatala sa gabing ugnayan yung paborit ng DX1 PRS. Maraming salamat, 73, mabuhay, ingat-ingat po tayo.
Acknowledge your station ng Tito Willie ng UP Diliman from the group DX1 Echo Romeo. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS EBNet. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Sundu, Papa Lima is properly lock and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS EBNet?
Delta Whiskey, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot, Zamboanga City.
Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Tito Junie.
Your response, BSF Control, Delta Whiskey, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot. Tingnan pa sa Buanga City. Any is non present as net with
Acknowledge your station, Tito Junie ng Zamboanga City from the group DXH to Charlie. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Evening net, your station, Delta Whiskey, Charlie Romeo Foxtrot is properly locked and clear. 73. Yung isa po kanina si Tito JR ba yun? Charlie Alpha Zulu? Ay, yung pong isang station kanina na dinig ko yung bandang doon. Charlie Alpha Zulu ba?
451, Charlie Alpha Zulu,
Ayun, mukhang lumipat. 451, Charlie Alpha Zulu. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Tito JR. Kasama na si XYR. Go ahead.
Request Tito Nelson, good evening, evening station. This is Lisa 451, Charlie Alpha Zulu, Chicago, W451, Charlie November, Lima 1. No traffic, supporting the news at the outset, 17 Mabuhay, maraming salamat.
Acknowledge your two station, Tito JR and Tita Joan ng Rodriguez and New Era sa Dasmariñas, Cavite. At NCS po sila ng DX1 EBM. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS. Evening net, your two station, 451 Charlie Alpha Zulu, 451 Charlie November Delta is properly locked and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS evening net, please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by.
D1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
D1 Papa D1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot. Magandang gabi, Tito Cesar.
Likewise, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform Nelson, magandang gabi. Garanti sa mga estasyon ng Antabay at magandang umaga sa bayong dagat ng Pilipinas. Just joining, supporting our group net from Calamba City. Mabuhay! Ingat-ingat pa rin!
Acknowledge your station, Tito Cesar ng Calamba, Laguna from the group at one of NCS ng DX1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting RLBNet, your station for DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot properly locked and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS EBNet? Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS? Si Kinetic Station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS unit. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by. Wala pong audio, pakibalik po at malakas naman dito yung signal. Walang audio, 59.
November Tango Foxtrot.
451 November Tango Foxtrot. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Kuyang Jing.
Good evening, all station. This is 4 Golf 1, November Tango Foxtrot. G from Bansa Cavite, no traffic, just joining Sporting the Net, 73, mabuhay.
73 and acknowledge your station, Tito J ng Tansa Cavite. From the group DX1 Mike Charlie Gold at NCS po ng DX1 MCG. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Evening, your station. For Group 1 November Tango Foxtrot is properly lag and clear 73 at ingat-ingat po tayo. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening? Or Ijawan, Alpha Golf Juliet, magandang gabi, Tito Echel.
Good evening, Tito Nelson. Good evening, all station. For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet, joining the net, no traffic at ingat dyan, 73.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Edsel ng San Pedro Laguna. From the group, thank you for always supporting our evening net, your station. For India 1, Alpha Golf Juliet is properly lag and clear 73 at ingat-ingat din po tayo dyan, Tito Edsel. And more station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net? Signature station, be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net?
DY1, Juliet Papayang, Tito the net.
Juliet Papa Yankee, DY1 Juliet Papa Yankee, is that QSL?
QSL.
Ito pingin na lang, pakibigyan na lang dito yung yung complete call sign, handle, location, club if meron.
Good evening, Tito. This is the station of DY1, Juliet Papayanki. The handle is Jepon, location is Taguig. Walang pang grupo, freelancer lang muna. Ayan, may 73 to all station. Balik sa'yo, Tito. Magandang gabi mo din.
4H1LCU.
QSL ayun at ilalagay ko sa database ko. Ayun, acknowledge your station Tito Jepoy ng Taguig. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Evening Net and we hope to catch you again the next edition of Evening Net. Your station, DY1 Juliet Papa Yankee is properly lag and clear 73 at ingat po tayo. And our station who is join the X1 PRS Evening Net? For Hotel 1 Delta Hotel, magandang gabi sa iyan, Tito Pate.
Station ng Monitor for Hotel 1 Delta Hotel, may handle 6 from Muntinlupa City, just visiting and supporting our group and 70 po, mabuhay ka lahat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Pate ng Muntinlupa City. From the group, thank you for always supporting our evening net. Your station, the Hotel 1 Delta Hotel is properly lag and clear 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS evening net?
Delta Yankee 1, Charlie Lima Charlie.
Delta Whiskey, Charlie India Papa, DWCIT.
All station, please stand by. I copy to station. Delta Whiskey 1, Charlie Lima, Charlie. Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie India Papa. Kuyang Alan, please stand by. 1 station ahead. Delta Whiskey 1, Charlie Lima, Charlie pa. Go ahead po.
Yankee 1, Charlie Lima, Charlie. Join ng Batan, Delta 0, Delta 9, Lidahan nila first part. Releasing the brother at sa mga 41 na buwabang dito. Kapayapang natin charges, back to you, controller.
Oh, man. Ayun. Tito, pakibigay naman yung location mo tsaka yung handle.
Tito, ako, 20, North Signal Taxi.
Ayun. O, meron call sign mo. Ang handle. QSL. Ayun. Magandang gabi dyan. Acknowledge sa'yo ang station mo, Tito Omer, ng Taguig. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Charlie Lima Whiskey, Charlie Lima, Charlie is properly logged and clear. 17. Next station, Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie India Papa, Kuyang Alan ng Zamboanga City. Magandang gabi. Acknowledge your station na Kuyang Alan ng Zamboanga City. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 8, Charlie India Papa is properly logged and clear. Medyo nagpuputol-putol lang yung signal mo, Kuyang Alan. Pero readable naman. Ayun. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net? Acknowledge the station of among ng nabotas from the group the X1 ART, chairman of the board, and the X1 ART. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net, your station. For Golf 1 Alpha, Quebec Victor is properly logged and clear. 70. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net? Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform for the X1 PRS standing by. Sige natin, station be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform for the X1 PRS standing by.
DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico.
Magandang gabi, Mr. Vice President, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, Tito Alaric, magandang gabi dyan.
Magandang gabi din, Nelson. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Just supporting ang alat ko, traffic, 73, at magandang gabi. Mabuhay, Sergio.
Ayun, maulan dyan, dito wala, mambul lang saglit. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Alaric ng Muntinlupa from the group at Vice President and the X1 PRS. Thank you for always supporting RABNet, your station. DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net? Signet and station be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. For Starlink node, Echolink and other link is welcome. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie uniform for the X1 PRS standing by.
Uniform X-ray 1, Lima Whiskey. Uniform X-ray 1, Lima Whiskey by Ecolink.
Uniform X-ray 1, Lima Whiskey. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, Brother Andrei from Inshum, Ukraine.
Yeah, this is Uniform X-ray 1 Lima Whiskey. Very good evening to you. Your cell report 59 plus, very strong signal. This is Angie from the eastern part of Ukraine. Nothing special for the net. Many thanks. Good luck and better military from Ukraine. Sorry about it. I received outside easier contact. Over.
QSL, Brother Andrei. This is 4H1 LCU for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform with the handle of Nelson November Echo Lima Sierra Oscar November. QSL.
Brother, for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie. Nelson, okay, QSL, many thanks for your information and contact. Good luck for you and better military from Ukraine. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Brother Andrei. Acknowledge your station, Brother Andrei, for issue Ukraine. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EBNet, your station, United X-Ray 1, Lima Whiskey. It's properly loud and clear. 73. God bless. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS EBNet, please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform with the handle of Nelson, transmitting from Binawan, Rizal for the X1 PRS. Standing by.
DB1 X-ray Whiskey.
DB1 X-ray Whiskey Kilo. Magandang gabi, Tito Percy.
Control, DB1 X-ray Whiskey Kilo, just reporting the Dixon PRS net. Natalie 73 station, station 373 Buhay.
4H L C U.
I acknowledge your station, Tito Percy, from the group DX1 ARC. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS EBNet. Your station, DB1 X-ray Whiskey Kilo, is properly loud and clear. 73, ingat-ingat. Maraming salamat. Any more station who is join the X1 PRS EBNet? CQNet and station be portable, mobile or base, who should join the X1 PRS EBNet. CQNet and station be portable, mobile or base, who should join the X1 PRS EBNet. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform with the handle of Nelson, transmitting from Binawan, Rizal for the X1 PRS. Standing by.
Delta Whiskey 6 X-ray India Tango. Delta Whiskey 6 X-ray India Tango.
Delta Whiskey 6 X-Ray India Tango. At ito Wilmer, magandang gabi po dyan.
Magandang gabi po, Control. Magandang gabi to all monitoring station. This is Delta Whiskey 6 X-Ray India Tango. Delta Whiskey 6 X-Ray India Tango. With any wheel by transmitting all the way at Valladolid Negros Occidental. And no further traffic from the group DX6 EVM Protocol Scan International. Maraming salamat po, Sir Dede.
I acknowledge your station, Tito Wilmer, Negros Occidental from the group DX6 EBM Scan International. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRS Net. Your station, Delta Whiskey 6 X-Ray India Tango is properly locked and clear. 70, ingat-ingat po tayo dyan. Any more station who wish to join DX1 PRS Net? CQNet and station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net, please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net, I acknowledge the station for India 1 Alpha Golf Yankee, Tito Vic ng Saudi Arabia, Major Communication, and Delta Yankee 3 Alpha Zulu Charlie, Albert ng Tarlac City. Your thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station is properly logged and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net? CQNet and station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. Any station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. CQNet and station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. CQNet and station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by. Alpha. Porgo 1, Alpha, X-ray, X-ray. Magandang gabi sa inyo, Kuyang Warren. I acknowledge your station na Kuyang Warren na Marikina City from the group Clark Incorporated. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station for Group 1 Alpha X-ray is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net? CQNet and station be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. Acknowledge station of 4 Golf 1 Papa X-ray Yankee Kuyang Alex from the group the X1 ART at NCS and the X1 ART. Thank you for supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station 4 Golf 1 Papa X-ray Yankee is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net?
DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta.
DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta. Magandang gabi sa iyo dyan, Tito Edgar, Nangihinto, Bulacan.
4H1LCU.
Likewise, magandang gabi dyan, DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta, join the net 73.
Acknowledge your station na Tito Edgar, Nangihinto, Bulacan from the group DX3 Whiskey Charlie Wing Command Incorporated. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. Your station Delta Whiskey 3 Whiskey Echo Delta is properly loud and clear. 73. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS Net? Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform with the envelope Nelson transmitting from Binangon Rizal for the X1 PRS standing by. CQNet and station be portable, mobile or base who wish to join the X1 PRS Net. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by.
For I1 Mike Victor India.
For I1 Mike Victor India, Princess ng X1 PRS Juliana and Tito Robert, magandang gabi sa inyo dyan, magkama.
Hi, Tito Nelson.
Evening. Tito Nelson, Relief Call Stations. For H1 LCU for the X1 PRS Net, for I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in, supporting the group net. So, traffic 73. Aba, hi, ha! Ingat-ingat po kayong lahat.
Ayun, nakakamiss yung boses mo, Juliana. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Robert and Juliana. Nambinyan Laguna from the group. Thank you for always supporting RMNet, your station. 4 into 1, Mike Victor India is properly loud and clear. 73. At malakas yung ano mo, napipitik mo yung aking note.
malakas kaya.
USL, punong-puno ka rito sa akin eh. Tapos pumapasok ka doon sa maliit na antena ng node ko.
Pagka ganito dito, ilan ba to? 15 watts.
Puno ka doon sa base ko, doon sa node, wala.
Copy. Sige. Dito lang, makikinig habang nanginginig. Magandang gabi.
QSL, ayun. Magandang gabi muli sa inyo mga kama dyan. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS EVNet, please call my station for Hotel 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS, standing by. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS EVNet, any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS EVNet. Connecting station, be portable, mobile or base who wishes to join the X1 PRS EVNet.
Papa Uniform Romeo.
401 Papa Uniform Romeo, one open CS and the X1 PRS. Magandang gabi dyan, Tito Boy.
Magandang gabi, Edith Nelson, at medyo umulan kanina dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Welcome, Papa Uniform Romeo, checking in, supporting our group net, no traffic, 73. Keep safe, at bukas ay tayo may duty, starting tomorrow until Sunday. Yan na po, maraming salamat.
QSL, oh, nabanggit ko rin kanina. Jota natin. Baka may gabi na bukas dito at ano lang, hahabol na lang ako makinig. At pipilitin ko makauwi maaga bukas para may live tayo. Ayun. Acknowledge your station, Tito Boy ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. From the group, Atin CS and the X1 PRS, thank you for always supporting our EVNet, your station. 401 Papa Uniform Romeo is properly loud and clear. 73. CQ net and station, be portable, mobile or base service to join the X1 PRS EVNet.
Tito Nelson.
Go ahead, Tito Robert.
Paano setup nung Jota Jockey? Parang net ko lang natin ganyan.
QSL yata, tanong ka na lang doon kay Press at hindi ko pa rin masyadong pero wala pa net call lang tayo. Pero sa Sabado yata may BSP, may event ng umaga.
Copy. Sige. Sa pag-interrupt. Dito lang ulit. Magandang gabi kay Tito Boy din. Salamat, Henry.
No problem. At ano naman tayo tayo nasa early check-in na tayo. Time check 9:01 Papa Mike. Any more station na gusto pa pong umabol at magpatala sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS?
Victor 7, Romeo Alpha Romeo.
Delta Victor 7, Romeo Alpha Romeo, Kuyang Lloyd, magandang gabi dyan sa Dumaguete.
Victor 7 for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform. Nelson, magandang gabi dyan at magandang gabi rin sa lahat ng station sa pakikinig. Supporting the net. I have no traffic. Take care and have a nice week. Friday tomorrow. 73, salamat.
Acknowledge your station, Tito Lloyd, na Kuyang Lloyd ng Dumaguete City from the group DX7 November Romeo Delta. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PRSEB Net, your station. Delta Victor 7, Romeo Alpha Romeo is properly loud and clear. 73, 59 here, at hindi naman ang audio mo. Napakaganda. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRSEB Net? Any station who wish to join the X1 PRSEB Net? CQ Net, any station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRSEB Net? Please call my station, Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS, standing by.
4H1L6.
Mike 7, Papa Lima Juliet, go ahead na po, Tito Jojo. Ayun, biglang humina ng todo yung audio mo, pero opya kita naka-headset ako eh. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Jojo ng United Kingdom from the group. Thank you for always supporting RLB Net. Your station, Mike 7, Papa Lima Juliet, by Echolink is properly loud and clear. 73, at magandang hapon sa iyo dyan. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRSEB Net? Any station, be portable, mobile or base, who wish to join the X1 PRSEB Net?
Alpha Romeo Mike.
Alpha Romeo Mike, Kuya Jun, na Muntinlupa, magandang gabi po.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all stations. Alpha Romeo Mike. Adelaide here from November from Muntinlupa. Joining supporting po the X1 PRS. Salamat po. Magandang gabi.
Acknowledge your station, Kuya Jun ng Muntinlupa. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSEB Net. Your station, Alpha Romeo Mike, is properly loud and clear. 73, maraming salamat. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRSEB Net? Kakabalik nga po ang hina ng audio. Isa pa po, lakasan po ang audio.
1 Yankee Victor X-ray.
Talagang hinihinaan mo pa ng gusto, ha? Go ahead na, Tito Jason.
Negative, naglolo ko talaga yung yung plug ko sa microphone, kaya ginalaw-galaw ko muna. Magandang gabi. Likewise to all the stations. Yeah, checking in from Biñan, Laguna, 73. No traffic. Salamat.
USL, kita ko rito, lakas ng pausang audio, napakahina, parang ang layo. Sabi ko, parang kilala ko yung audio, hindi lang, sobrang hina lang. Ayun, acknowledge your station, Tito Jason ng Biñan, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting our DX1 PRS. We met your station. Delta Whiskey 1, Yankee, Victor X-ray, properly, lagi and clear, 73. And more station na nais pa pong umabot at patala sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Mangyayari pong tawagan ng aking istasyon, Portal 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. Ako po si Nelson. Para sa DX1 PRS ay maghintay. And station who wish to join the X1 PRS Iblinet. And station who wish to join the X1 PRS Iblinet. May nais pa po bang mabul at magpatala sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS? And station na gusto pong mabul at magpatala para po sa gabing ugnayan ng DX1 PRS sa time check 9:09 hanggang 9:15 po tayo. Go ahead. And station be portable, mobile or base, which should join the X1 PRS unit. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS unit. Any more station who wish to join the X1 PRS unit. Any station who wishes to join the X1 PRS unit. Any station who wishes to join the X1 PRS unit. CQ, CQNet and station B portable, mobile or base who wishes to join the X1 PRS unit. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by.
4H1LCU.
Lupa. And station B portable, mobile or base who wishes to join the X1 PRS unit. Please call my station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform for the X1 PRS standing by. Ayun, 9:16 na pala. Diyan na kaya si for Golf 1N. For Golf 1 Echo November Delta, Tito Del. May nandiyan ka na ba? Tito Rotboy, mukhang malayo si Tito Del ah.
Tingnan tayo natin. 4 Echo November Delta. Tito Del, nandiyan ka na ba? Second call, 4 Echo November Delta. Mukhang malayo. Nagano, may scratching signal. Baka siya yun. Negative copy, Tito Nelson.
QSL, yun. Tapos na muna tayo. At sama ko na lang din siya. Hindi lang siguro makapato rito. Pag ganun, nadidilig tayo. Acknowledge ko na lang yung station niya. Mamaya habol naman yan. Ayun, we would like to thank the 90 station who checked in for tonight. Thank you very much for supporting the X1 PR EveNet, and we hope to catch you again the next edition of EveNet, same time, 7:45 Papa Mike, same frequency, 145.340 MHz, Echolink at DX1 PR, that's R, and Starlink node 54453. The net is now closed, frequency 145.340 MHz, and all other links are now back to its normal operation. On behalf of TX1 PRS, this is Portal 1, Lima, Charlie Uniform. My handle is Nelson, saying thank you very much and good evening to all. Ang sabi nga ni Tito Rotboy, mag-ingat tayo palagi. Ilagang ang pag-asa sa biyaya dati sa dakilang mapo ang kapurian. Frequency clear.